Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have these two boxes here which are going to shortly turn into a couch. So we're going to go ahead and assemble that and you'll watch me do it. And there we go. Let's see how we do. Ooh, it's comfy. And then we have the little pull. And, look at that. That's pretty nice. This is nice. On this side. What do you do with the pull? Uh-oh. There's the pull. There. And there's that side. Very cool. I like it. Thumbs up. This is a great couch. If you need one for a smaller area, kind of a Loveseat size, this is totally the way to go. Looks great. Probably need to line it up a little better, push it back, but you get the idea. Looks great. Looks great in here. Totally awesome. Thumbs up.